Hello and welcome to Techbelt. My name is Harrison Smith and today I'm going to take you through a short video on one of our PTFE mesh belts. It is our GM-95-AS, which stands for anti-static PTFE coated mesh. Len Stevens from the production team is going to take you step by step through the process of making a PTFE mesh belt. This is Len cutting the belt down to width. After Len has cut the belt down to width, he then applies the R136 black edging. Once Len has applied the edging, it is now time to head over to the press to seal the edging. The presses reach at 390 degrees centigrade, which gives it enough heat to seal the edging to the belt. Now that Len has sealed the edging onto the belt, it is now time to reinforce the belt with a Kevlar bullnose 2015, which simply stands for 20mm on one side of the belt and 15 on the other. The Kevlar bullnose reinforcement is also pressed, which then brings us on to our last stage, putting the fasteners in. Just to point out that any belts can be made bespoke to meet any of your requirements. I would like to thank you for watching this video today. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. You can contact us on email at sales@techbelt.com, or you can visit our website at www.techbelt.com. Thank you.